If you are looking for the best canister vacuum, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Eureka Mite 3670 Corded Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka Mite 3670 is a low-cost device, but there is nothing cheap about the Eureka 3670G. It has a powerful suction thanks to the 10-amp motor. The suction is adjustable thanks to the slip ring on the hose. Included accessories are the crevice tool and the combo tool, which you can store on board the device. As for the cleaner head, you can use it on hard floors as well as carpets. It has some soft fabric on the bottom to protect your hard floors. Number 2. Bissell Zing Canister 2156A Vacuum. The powerful suction and cyclonic action are some of the highlight features in this best bagless canister vacuum. Typically, the vacuum cleaner is quite efficient on multiple surfaces. The filters are reusable and easy to clean and maintain. You can switch from one floor type to the other with only a flip of the switch. The rating of the motor is 9 amps, which are quite sufficient for home use. It has an active motor filter and dust cup filter. These capture the smallest of dirt particles from the surface. Number 3. Kenmore Elite 81714 Pet-Friendly Ultra Plush Canister Vacuum. The Kenmore Elite 81714 Pet-Friendly Canister Vacuum is that vacuum one that flies under the radar and then pops up to impress with features like a 2-motor system that gives it exceptional suction strength, an adjustable telescoping wand that can reach and clean up to 10 feet, and a 26-foot cord that offers freedom of movement as you clean and is retractable with the push of button. It was designed with an integrated HEPA filtration system and a special pet power made attachment for sucking up fur and hair from floors, upholstery, and pet areas. Number 4. Ovente Electric Bagless Lightweight Canister Vacuum Cleaner. The Ovente Bagless Canister Vacuum is all about making your life as easy as possible. Its translucent filter and dust container effortlessly lifts up from the canister by a handle and is emptied from the bottom, straight into your garbage. This cyclonic vacuum delivers 1,200 watts of power and has a HEPA filtration system for capturing allergens, dust, and tiny airborne particles. The automatic cable rewinder keeps you from having to wrap a cord around the vacuum, and a telescopic wand for accessing hard-to-reach areas like the tops of windows, ceilings, and corners. Number 5. Miele Complete C2 Hard Floor Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Miele is one of the best canister vacuum manufacturers, and they have some affordable machines in the C2 series. However, they did not compromise power. This is powered by a 9.5 amp motor and thus has enough power to pick dirt. Moreover, it has a 33 feet cleaning radius, which is enough for most tasks. As for the cleaning heads, the Miele has a combination tool for hard floors and low carpets, and a parquet twister for hard floors. It also includes a dusting brush, and it can hold 1.19 gallons of debris.
click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.